Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to a new day of this journey. Welcome to day 5 of our challenge. After completing the previous challenge successfully, we stepped into this bigger challenge with confidence. And today we continue that same journey with discipline and focus. This is not just another video. This is day 5 of real execution, real strategy, and real consistency. Before we move forward, take a moment, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected with us. Because every single day we are showing you something real. If you are serious about trading, if you want to understand how a structured system works, then this is the right place for you. And if you want to connect with us directly, if you have questions, or if you want to be part of this journey, you can message us on WhatsApp. We are always there to guide you. Now, welcome once again to day 5 of this challenge. We started this 5,000 challenge to show you one simple thing. Growth is possible with the right system. Whether you are starting small or working with bigger capital, structure always matters. Our bot is designed to work on different account sizes. And that is exactly what we are demonstrating in front of you, step by step, without hiding anything. Our target remains the same. To grow this account in a structured way, not with random trades, but with a clear plan. We have done this before, many times, and every time we focus on consistency, not shortcuts. Our previous challenge started from a smaller balance, and we pushed it forward step by step. That is the power of discipline and system. Now, let me ask you something. How is your trading going right now? Are you making profit or facing losses? Are you following a strategy or just guessing entries? Do you think consistency in trading is possible or not? Write your answers in the comments. We read everything. Now, let's talk about the market. Right now, crypto and Forex both are moving with uncertainty. Sudden spikes, sudden reversals, and that is where most traders lose control. This is why structured platforms like Deriv become important, where you can apply a system with discipline. And this is exactly what we are doing here. Today is day 5 of the challenge. And once again, we approach the market with analysis. We check multiple indices, observe movements, and at that moment, volatility 25 ones look like the better option. And let me clarify again. The analysis we show you here is just for transparency. The actual logic behind the system is deeper and structured. We moved the bot. Our bot was already prepared. We selected volatility 25 ones. Stop loss was set to 1200. Take profit was set to 2300. Stake size was set to 225.84. After confirming everything, we started the bot. And this is where discipline matters. Once the system starts, there is no emotional interference. Now listen carefully. Success in trading is not about one big trade. It is about repeating the right process again and again. When you follow a system, you remove fear, you remove hesitation, and you start trusting the process. Many people jump from one method to another, but consistency comes only when you stay with one structured approach. Every result you see here is not luck. It is execution. You don't need to chase the market. You need to control your decisions. This journey is not about speed. It is about direction. Every day we come here, we execute, we share, and we move forward. This is not the first challenge we have completed, and it will not be the last. We have shown this before, and we continue to show it again and again. When you follow a system, you build confidence. When you build confidence, you remove doubt. And when doubt is removed, you start improving. This is what we want for you. We want you to understand the process, not just the result, because results come and go, but process stays. Now, let me share something important with you. Many people wait for the perfect moment, but the truth is, there is no perfect moment. You start, you learn, you improve. That is how progress happens. Every step matters. Every decision matters. And today is another step in this journey. Now let me announce the results. After launching our premium bot, it took around 16 minutes to reach the take profit target. The bot executed around 117 trades, 109 wins, and 9 losses. And you can see the results clearly. The session closed with a profit of $2,307 from a starting balance of $10,939. Just look at today's results. This level of execution comes from discipline and structured approach. Day 5 of the challenge is completed. And once again, the system delivered exactly as planned. This is not about one day. This is about consistency across days. We started this journey, and we're showing you every step. This is the power of our system. This is what happens when you follow a plan, and this is how progress is made. We are building this journey step by step, and now we move toward the next phase. The next step is coming, and that is withdrawal. We will continue to share everything with you. If you want to be part of this journey, if you want to understand the system, you can connect